Good morning, my all dear students. I welcome you all to the online teaching learning platform organized by our Educational Department of MCGM. Our today's subject is EVS 2 and the topic that we are going to take on today is from shelter to village settlement. In that, we are going to study about subtopic that is
Hello,
shelters, seasonal
hello.
camp, village settlement. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Shubhangi Dubey from MPS Dharavi Kalakilla, G0 Ward. Are you able to listen me students?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So now I am going to ask you few questions. You have to answer those questions, okay?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now see on your screen, what do you see in this picture?
Sir, ma'am, it is a cave.
Yes, very good. This is the picture of cave. Can you tell me who used to live in caves?
Lions,
Yes,
their babies, tiger,
very good.
and
Tiger, lion, deer, and also Stone Age man also lives in caves,
yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
why Stone Age man used to live in caves?
Ma'am, because they can live, they cannot live without house.
They don't have home. That's
They want
why in Stone
protection.
Age, yes, so that's why they used to live in caves. Now, can you tell me what do you see in this picture? What do you observe in this picture?
Ma'am, it is a village.
Yes, this is the picture of village. So, the firstly, Stone Age man lives in caves. But after invention of that, they started to live in shelters and start to live in villages and do village settlements. So today we are going to study our chapter that is from shelter to village settlement. Okay. In that chapter, we are going to study about subtopics shelter, seasonal camp, and village settlement. In this chapter, we shall learn and understand the living habits of the early humans and their changes from shelter to village settlement. As per the changing climate, so first point in this chapter is shelter. Now what is meant by shelter? Shelter is a small building or covered place which is made to protect people from bad weather or danger. If a place provides shelter, it provides you with a place to stay or live, especially when you need protection from bad weather or danger. A shelter protects us from heat, cold, rain, wild animals, and also from thieves. All things need shelter. All living things need shelter. Not only human beings, but also animals, they also need shelter to protect themselves from cold, heat, and rain. We live as a family in our homes. We also have shelters. Do we have shelter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which is our shelter? Where do we live?
In house.
In house or in home. So the family members rest, live together in the comfort of their home. So shelter is very important to protect ourselves. Understand what is meant by shelter?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read what is meant by shelter? That is
Yes, ma'am.
green.
Shelter is a small building or covered place which is made to protect people from bad weather or danger.
Yes. Shelter is a small building or any covered place which is made to protect people from bad weather, that is heat, cold, rain, snow, and danger, and from enemy. Okay. In our fifth chapter, we have learned that Neanderthals lives mainly in caves. Why? Because as the climate in Europe was extremely cold. Neanderthals, where they live? In Europe. And in Europe, at that time, the climate was extremely cold. Means it was very, very cold. So that's why, and in that time, no houses is there. So the Neanderthal man used to live in caves. Why they used to live in caves? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me why Neanderthal man used to live in caves?
Um, Ma'am, because sometime outside weather was not uh,
Because in that time, Europe, there was extremely cold weather. So to protect themselves from that cold weather, the Neanderthal man lives in caves.
okay.
Now, can you see which type of clothes do they wear?
Uh, uh, Ma'am, they had you means first that time they had no clothes for wearing, but after that animals also was there. So there was. So, ma'am, can you see the arrow of my arrow that? Ma'am, can you see the arrow?
Yes.
They
You tell me what type of clothes do they wear?
they go to
They wore,
hunting camp. So because of that, they kills elephants, and they take their skins and their meat they eat, and the skin from the skin they made their clothes.
yes. So, in this picture, what you see, cave is there. After that, uh, Neanderthal man is there, and also fire is there, right? So, the Neanderthal man used to live in caves. And what type of clothes they wear? They wore leather clothes and used fire to protect themselves from freezing cold. They also used fire to getting warmth. Have you understood? What does Neanderthal man do to protect himself from cold?
Yes, ma'am.
Which
Yes.
things he used?
Oh, ma'am. Fire,
Yes, very good.
a cave,
Cave and leather clothes.
and leather clothes, and ma'am, the arrows.
Arrow is not used to protect from cold or heat. They used it for hunting. Okay. So Neanderthal man used cave, leather clothes and fire to protect themselves from cold. Now see, also they erect their tent inside the caves and keep them warm whenever they need. They also built huts in the open to protect themselves. After that, after invention, what did they do? They prepare a tent and also they built a huts in opens. Now see, so we saw Neanderthals lived mainly in caves. In this picture, you can see a worm two-room tent erected by Neanderthals man inside a cave in France. At that time, the climate in Europe was extremely cold. The Neanderthals could protect themselves from the freezing temperature
Ma'am,
because they were 1 minute. Let me explain, and after that, I will give you time to talk. The Neanderthals could protect themselves from the freezing temperature because they wore leather clothing and made use of fire. Fire is lit up to give them warmth or to protect from extreme cold climate. And also the clothing is mainly made up of leather so that they can feel the warmth. They can keep their body warm because of leather, but perhaps that was not enough. That is why they used animals' hides to erect tents inside the tent for warmth. Whenever necessary, they also built hut in opens. So this is how the shelter was undertaken or built as suitable to the climate. Understand? Now, have you understood about shelter? What is the meaning of shelter? How Neanderthal man used shelter? Now tell me, where did Neanderthals started live mainly?
ma'am,
Yes?
I have a doubt.
Huh?
That ma'am, that warm to room tent, why it is erected? Why it is not created?
They use, see, to warm the room, the tent was erected by Neanderthal mans inside the caves to protect themselves from because there was extremely cold weather in Europe. Can you
And
tell me where did Neanderthal man started to live mainly at the first time? No one. The Neanderthal man started live in caves. Okay. Now, what did Neanderthals wear to protect themselves from cold?
a warm to room tent erected by Neanderthals.
No. What is my question? What did Neanderthals wear to protect themselves from cold?
Cloth,
Which type of clothes?
leather cloth.
Yes, very good. The Neanderthals wore leather clothes to protect themselves from cold.
Ma'am,
Now the
I
next
had done
is,
one mistake.
yes,
Ma'am, I tell that they make clothes by killing elephants, but that time there was not elephant. That time there was mammoths. So because of that, elephant was not there. Mammoth skin were used that time.
yes. So, have you understood the meaning of shelter?
Yes,
Now, the
ma'am.
next point is uses of shelter. What is the use of shelter to human beings? Why we use shelter? The first use is the shelter can protect you from sun, insects, wind, rain, snow, hot and cold temperature and enemy. Shelter also can give you a feeling of well-being. Shelter can help you to maintain your will to survive. Shelter provides secure for human beings and also animals. Shelter provides essential aspect of protection. Understand? Can you read the uses of shelter? Can you tell any other uses of shelter? What is the use of shelter for us? Can you tell me? No one? Shelter can protect us from sun, heat, cold, wind, snow, from our enemy and any bad weather. It can give us feeling of comfortness. When we are in our home or if we are having shelter, then we feel comfortable, we feel secure in our shelter, right? Now, see the next point is seasonal camps. Seasonal camps. Seasonal camp means a place where tent or house are built for temporary shelter. In the Middle Stone Age group of Homo sapiens had established camps all over the world, especially near rivers, lakes. At that time, the climate was getting warmer. So what is meant by seasonal camp? Seasonal camp means a place where tent, hut or small houses or temporary shelters can be built near the river or lakes. Means near to the water. That means the seasonal camps. The Homo sapiens in the Middle Stone Age established camp all over the world. During this time, the climate was changing and getting warmer. Even the environment underwent changes. Also due to this, the diet of the human underwent changes. Due to the changes in environment, his diet too underwent changes. Why the human being diet is changed? Because due to the change in environment, his diet is also changed. Due to the climatic changes, big animals like mammoths were on the way to extinction and also they were hunted on a large scale. See, big animals like mammoths were on the way to extinction. Why? Because they hunted or killed on large scale. And also, due to the climatic changes, the mammoths was an ancestor of elephants. He was much bigger in size compared to the elephant. Mammoth is much bigger than elephant. Due to the above reason, Homo sapien began fishing. Homo sapiens began fishing on large scale. Fish form the biggest part of their diet. So after Homo sapiens began fishing, fish is the biggest part of their diet. See, what do you see in this picture?
Ma'am, they are hunting a deer.
Yes, they are hunting a deer. Means they started hunting small animals and birds. Small animals like boar, deer, mountain goats, and sheep. They used pointed arrows or sticks to hunt animals. What did they use to hunt
Ma'am,
the animals?
if that second people which had that weapon now, it is gold circle type. If he will hit on his head because then he will behosh.
So, what type of instrument the man used to hunt the small animals?
Ma'am, arrow.
Arrows and sticks. The man used arrows and sticks to hunt the small animal. And which small animals they hunt? They hunt wild boar, deer, mountain goat, and sheep. They used animal meat to eat and the skin to make clothes or tent. Why did they hunt the animal? Because they used that animal's meat to eat as their food and use their skin to make clothes or to prepare a tent. So Homo sapiens do hunting of wild boar, deer, sheep to eat as food and used animal skin to make clothes or tent. So tell me, for what purpose Homo sapiens used sheep, wild boar and deer? No. For what purpose Homo sapiens used sheep, wild boar and deer? Why did they hunt sheep, wild boar and deer?
Ma'am, to eat and to get clothes.
Yes, to eat the meat and to prepare clothes from their skin and also to make tent. Which things Homo sapiens used to make clothes? Which things Homo sapiens used to make clothes?
Ma'am, mammal
Animal
skin.
skin. Animal skins. And can you tell me during which period group of Homo sapiens has established camp all over the world?
Ma'am, Middle Stone Age.
Very good. In the Middle Stone Age, Homo sapiens has established a camp all over the world. And in which period climate started getting warmer?
Mm,
In Middle
Ma'am,
Stone Age. In Middle Stone Age only. In Middle Stone Age, the climate was getting warmer. Who started to set up a seasonal camp?
what ma'am?
Who started to set up seasonal camps?
Ma'am, Neanderthal.
Homo sapiens.
Sorry, Homo sapiens.
Homo sapiens used to set up seasonal camps. See, as a result of diet of Homo sapiens also changed, they started roaming from place to place in search of food. See, due to the change of diet pattern, the group of Homo sapiens roamed from place to place in far away region in search of food. As per the seasons, they started moving their camps from place to another place. As the season changed, they started moving their camps from one place to another place. They carried animal skin from side to side. Why? To build a camp. Always the camps were set up near the coast, lake or river. It helped them to hunt animals and get their food to eat. After settling down in camps, they harvested seasonal wild grains and gathered fruits and roots. By using their knowledge and observing, they would find the best season for fishing. After setting camps, they harvested seasonal wild grains and gathered fruits and roots by using their knowledge. They would find the best seasons for fishing and took the advantage of it. By observing, they, they discovered the best hunting ground. See, by using their knowledge and doing observations, they discovered the best hunting ground and for this reason they stay in one place for longer period. They cleared jungles by falling trees and set up their seasonal camps in the clear hills so that they can stay together and kill animals. Why diet of Homo sapiens underwent changes? Can you tell me why the diets of Homo sapiens changed? Because the climate was getting warmer and the environment was changing everywhere. So big animals like mammals were on the way to extinction due to this changing environment and also because they were hunted on a large scale. Therefore, the diet of Homo sapien underwent a change. They had largely turned to fishing. As they gathered food by hunting animals, it is necessary to them to keep moving one place to another place all the time to get food. However, agriculture made it possible to store food for long time and used it over a long period of time. So there is no need to keep moving constantly. Therefore, Homo sapiens started cultivating agriculture and started to stay in one place for long period of time. Next point is village settlement. During New Stone Age, man became producer and food grain. During New Stone Age, man became the producer of food grains. See, the way of life of human in the New Stone Age was completely different from that of human in the Old Stone Age and the Middle Stone Age. Why? Because in New Stone Age, man started to producing food grains. It means what will happen in New Stone Age? Man no need to move from one place to another place continuously in search of food. But in Old Stone Age and in Middle Stone Age, man was continuously moving from one place to another place in the search of food. But in New Stone Age, this will not happen. In Middle Stone Age and Old Stone Age, farming was not invented. When was the farming invented? Farming was invented in New Stone Age. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Farming was invented in New Stone Age. Farming was not invented until the Neolithical period or New Stone Age. So during this period, humans become producer of food grains. That is why they started producing food grains. Now see, the main characteristic of culture of the New Stone Age was the beginning of cultivation. So in Stone Age, man became a producer of food grain. Man started doing farming. And what is the main characteristic of the culture of the New Stone Age? In New Stone Age, the man's beginning of cultivation means that is agriculture. In the earlier period, he was a hunter. In Middle Stone Age and in Old Stone Age, the man was hunter and a food gatherer. He do the hunting of animal and gather food. But it is not possible to him to store that food for a long time. That's why in New Stone Age, man started hunting, for which it was necessary for him to move from one place to another place in search of food. But in New Stone Age, due to agriculture, it was possible for him to store food and use for long period. Why it is possible for man to store food for long period? Because of search of agriculture. In New Stone Age, due to the agriculture, it was possible for man to store food and use for a long period. Hence, there was no need to keep him moving constantly. Moreover, the nature of agriculture work made him necessary to stay in one place. So, after the invention of agriculture, it is made him necessary to stay in one place. Therefore, the people established permanent village. So, after the invention of agriculture, see in the picture, the people established a permanent village settlement and live there for generation to generation. Compared to the New Stone Age, the life of modern people is stable, easy, and progressive. In New Stone Age, man became stable. He started to live at one place and his life was easy and progressive. Today also we see village settlement in certain places which was stable, easy and progressive. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now it is time for your evaluation. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So there are few questions on screen. I am going to ask you one by one. You have to answer that question. Now start with the question number 1. Where did Neanderthals started living?
In caves.
Very good. The Neanderthals started living in the caves. Now the second question is, who started use of fire to protect themselves from cold weather?
Ma'am,
Yes,
Neanderthals.
Neanderthals use use of fire to protect themselves from cold weather and bad weather.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
the third question is, during which period group of Homo sapiens had established camps all over the world? Yes, can you tell me during which period group of Homo sapiens had established camps all over the world?
Ma'am, Middle Stone Age.
Very good. During Middle Stone Age, group of Homo sapiens had established camps all over the world. Now, the fourth question is, in which period climate started getting warmer? In Middle Stone Age, the climate started getting warmer. Now, can you tell me in which period climate started getting warmer? In Middle Stone Age. Understood? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So when did the climate started getting warmer?
Ma'am, in New Stone Age.
In Middle Stone Age.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
In Middle Stone Age, the climate started getting warmer. Now understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So our fifth question is, who started to set up seasonal camps?
Ma'am, Homo sapiens only.
Yes, the Homo sapiens started to set up the seasonal camps. And when? In Middle Stone Age. When did they started to set up seasonal camps? In Middle Stone Age. Now tell me, question number 6. Which animals were hunted by Homo sapiens?
Ma'am, deers,
Hmm?
mammoth,
Yes.
birds.
Yes. See, wild boar, deer, sheep, mountain goats, and birds were hunted by the Homo sapiens. Question number 7 is, during which period humans become producer of food grains?
Ma'am, in New Stone Age.
Yes, very good. In New Stone Age, humans become producer of food grain. Means in New Stone Age, man started to cultivating farm or producing agriculture. That is why in New Stone Age, human become the producer of food grains. Now the last question is question number 8. What makes possible What makes possible to store food for long time in New Stone Age?
Um,
Can anyone tell? What makes possible to store food for long time in New Stone Age?
ma'am, that ma'am, there are summer camps.
No. In New Stone Age, they started agriculture. So agriculture makes possible to store food for long time in New Stone Age. Understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Very good. Now it is time for your homework. And what is your homework today? Your today's homework is write about the effect on your life of the seasonal changes in weather. What is the effect of seasonal change in weather on your life? You have to write the answer of these questions in your homework. All of you write down the question or take the screenshot. I will give you 1 minute for that.
Ma'am, I have taken a screenshot.
Very good. Those who want to take screenshot or you can write in your notebook. Have you understood the lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Have you note down this homework, all of you? Now, thank you so much for attending the lesson.